What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hack Puppet Soccer 2014 Big Head Football. So first let's see how many money do we have. So yeah. Popping up. So guys, as you can see here, I got 2000 money, so I'm gonna hack it. That's my next step. So let's go ahead and hack it. Yep, you gotta raise it first to hack it. So you get 999 money, unlimited money. Okay. So next step, I'm going to Google. And I'm gonna write one. For sure. Yes, for sure. I'm going to click right here, download Puppet Soccer 14 Football. Yes. I think it might work. Oh, what is going on here? There you go. And then click here. It's already here for you. And then after insert it. No. It's open now. Oh my gosh, what is happening? We might want to do it again. So I just something around. Okay. So the first time I did hack it was 2,000, and then as you can see I got 999. So I can open Neymar. If you like this video, thumbs up. That's all for today. And then subscribe and write a comment. Bye. See you tomorrow.